front of me is Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on a suggestion strip at the top of your Gboard. All you need to do is access Devices Settings and scroll all the way down to click on General Management. Then tap on Gboard Settings and enter Text Correction. Last but not least, tap on this switcher next to Show Suggestion Strip to activate it. And when you're ready, go back. As you can see, after that, my suggestion strip was successfully enabled. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!